What are you doing? You know you're not supposed to be that close to the TV. Well, it's been a few days. I haven't really done anything other than put the air cleaner on it, but yeah, let's see how it's going to start. Still see a little gas in the filter. Chokes out. And here we go. So yeah, if you want to get anything done, it's best to do it early in the morning. It's already almost 90 degrees, and I checked the house thermometer outside, and it's 85% humidity. So yeah, now's the time to get anything done. Let's go see if we can find a spot to put Brother Hulk away with. I'm done tripping over him in the shop now. I'm on the fence. I think it helps a little bit, but I'm not sure. But yeah, it's been no rain. You can tell what's going on here. Yeah, I might have to get after this. Take about maybe 5 minutes.